friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag too. Oh.
What's up, YouTube? Y'all see the title of the video. I'm finally gonna try Fufu. This should be interesting. Go ahead and like the video and let's get right into it.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
This is good. Am I eating it? Wait. Y'all black people are weird. This is good. Let you try it. Don't swallow. Don't chew it. Just swallow it. Okay?
You said just swallow it?
Yeah, just swallow it. Don't swallow it. Don't chew it. How was it? How it was good.
Okay.
Oh, maybe I'm not doing right. Hold on. Cuff. School.
What was nasty about it? Tastes
Look
good
at my
to me.
mouth. Maybe I'm just fat. Go try this. I'm gonna eat now. Okay.
Try to go.
I got an audience now. I have to try with that. It look like.
I wanna give me a small piece. I want your mommy to try something too.
She probably already had it. Oh, my grandma probably cooked it. Tastes like neck bone. A neck bone or oxtail. Yeah, they're good. They're good.
You can get a little small piece.
No.
And
Let's try it with this.
I told you. Black people sweet. They don't like to. Oh, god damn, that's spicy.
Yeah.
This other one in here is yours too.
Y'all tweet. Fufu. Yeah, fufu by itself is blah, but mixed with this stuff,
It's spicy, ain't it?
it's hot. But,
Yeah, okay.
our people,
Sweet.
we like it hot. We like it hot. Maybe I'm fat, but as in fat girls, they like the big girl. They like the thick. They like the thick madame.
Oh, yes.
Oh, jeez. Wait. But, you gonna let me do it. Get a knife. You gonna let me do it. But, yeah. Hot, but I wish I could smell it, but
Where the knife at?
in the drawer. Anyway, interrupted my video. I give this a 10 out of 10. I will eat this again. I won't order all this stuff. I will just order one at a time. But 10 out of 10. I'm gonna go eat. And yeah, see y'all next video.